Today we will be playing Dig to Escape School. Whee! Let me in. Papow, papow, papow. Yay! And this is my friend from school, and we are graduated, so we cannot see our real faces ever again. But when it's the start of school, we can see our faces again. And we can play. And roll. Where is he? I wonder where is he? He's not even. Dig.
Done kinain mo?
Yes.
Nice. Baka ng rice?
What?
Ng rice.
Nag-record akong video dati.
Nag-prepare ka ng rice?
Yes. Why is it so laggy?
Kailangan prepare ka ng rice. Isa lang? Anong pagkain nila? Kung binuka nila?
Maggi, fish, yung mga iba hotdog.
Bread.
Walang bread.
Asa bread?
Dati, nag-make akong video. Dati, wag ka mag-speak. Now let's do this super easy task. Why am I lagging so much? Can you guys see this? I'm lagging so much. And then the hotdog I saved up. Now where are the materials? I wonder what happened. The materials are gone. I see a material. Go back up there. Let's see. Oh my God, Clyde. Okay, when I see Clyde again, I better slap him. Are you serious? I'm leaving. I am definitely leaving. I am leaving because why he disconnected when he is on a computer? He disconnected when he is in a computer. Huh? My game is glitched. Okay, my game is definitely glitched. Okay, I have to rejoin Roblox.
What? Ang breakfast yan. Gusto mo? Bread?
Nag-make akong video.
Ay, sir.
This was my old game.
Napasok kayo sa mall? What? Ay. Gusto ni mami.
I will play Blast Zone, I guess. Wait. Oh yeah, the simple spells. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I choose this one. This time when my friend invites me, I will not join him because he's on a computer. Also, I have a spell I will show you guys. In 3, 2, 1. Lightning storm. Oh, backpack already full. I almost have enough. My inventory is full. I hope I have enough. Actually, cheese are kinda better. You know what? I'm going underground. Like this one. I have 800 gems. I'm almost at 1,000. I need 1,000. Now, station. Let me start. Where is it? Oh. Ow. Oh my god, I'm basically at 900 gems. I just need 101 gems left. Okay, that's a perfect spot. Oh my god. I'm so close to prestiging. I mean going to the next level. Thunderstorm. Just need 27 gems. I mean 27 gold. This. Oh, I am so close. Thunderstorm. $1,000. Prestige, 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 prestige. I fell down. Okay, back up. Let me. Oh, shortcut. Why does it? I better not fall into that hole like last time. Oh my god, it hurts. Oh wait, this is not the way. Please. Wait a second. I forgot. Okay. Right. These two right away. Tap. Yay! Unlocked. Let me in. Gear up. Speed. Wait. Bro. Thunderstorm. Wow. Barely doing anything. I don't think I'm great for here. Lagi. Are you serious? Wait, the spell over there. Unlock. Give me. First, I will kill this. Tsunami? I knew it. It's a tsunami. That's just the best. Is this better? Because it's 30 damage. I don't know. Hey, okay. Guess I don't have enough. Then this one. Please give me something good. Please give me something good. Please. Please give me the 1%. It's a tsunami. Wait. Ew. Only 15. Hey, scam! It's a scam. And this time. Ciao! Pew! Pew! I'm watching all of them.